In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and click on Google Passwords Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords and enter your current login method. Now to make some changes, tap on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you're ready, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!